Welcome to the National Metrology Institute's 3D printing project. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is the process of creating a physical, three-dimensional object from a digital 3D file or computer-aided design, CAD, software data. This is in contrast to traditional subtractive manufacturing, which involves cutting or milling away material to create a desired shape. At the National Metrology Institute, we use the Ender 6 3D printer, which employs fused filament fabrication, FFF techniques. This means that polymeric and composite materials, or thermoplastics, are heated and extruded through a nozzle, building up the object layer by layer on a print bed. The 3D printing process typically involves the following steps: designing a 3D model using CAD software. This is where the object is created digitally, allowing for precise and intricate designs. Converting the model to a 3D printable format, the CAD model is then converted into a format that can be read and processed by the 3D printer. Selecting the appropriate filament, the filament is chosen based on the required properties of the object, such as melting point, strength, and rigidity. Feeding the filament into the 3D printer. The filament is loaded into the printer and heated past its glass transition temperature. Extruding and depositing the material. The heated filament is extruded and deposited layer by layer onto a build platform, where it cools and solidifies. Building the object, the process is repeated, with each layer being built on top of the previous one, until the object is complete. Post-processing. Once the object is printed, any supports are removed and the surface is cleaned. 3D printing is a versatile technique that can be used to create a wide variety of objects with efficient use of resources. It has applications in fields such as medicine, aerospace, research and development, and general manufacturing. The National Metrology Institute is proud to offer 3D printing services to the academic, industry, research, and the general public.